Right. Who's up? Where are you going? Can you see? I'm on you.
Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits. Always work towards a prime. So yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can
It's a friendly in that room.
find a passion, take some action.
Friendly in that room.
Just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to keep you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing. Won't bother hiding my bruises. And people only think you're wounded.
The breath could come through that doorway. Boom. 50-50.
I don't deserve a thing, and the road ahead is tough. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing. Won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally bet it's your chance to be ruthless. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous. But I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause I try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do. And when you make your money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone, and that includes you. Who are you to tell me how to live life? It feels like nobody's right, yeah. So I'ma figure out how to succeed, and then invest all of my time.
3 goes to recall. 3 goes to recall. There's 3 goes to recall. Watch out. Rebound. Friendly ahead's been hit. Friendly coming out. Oh, sorry. he was shooting and he didn't have his hand up. Okay. I'm coming around. No, that's a Marshall. Ah! Hit! No movement. Hit!